Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a mystery unboxing / review. No, this is not from the deep web. No, this is just from a friend of mine, but they didn't tell me what it is, so I can't wait to open it. I hope it's not just some sick joke. Okay, so I can't wait to dig into this and let's see what we have in here. So let's open this up. It seems to be pretty packed. It feels soft. I just hope it's not a sex toy or something like that. I'm trying to put a video like that up. So let's just open this up, see what we have inside. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. Alright, so it seems we have Big Chungus here, everyone. If you're not familiar with Big Chungus, you definitely should get familiar with Big Chungus. So this seems to be, let me guess, oh my god, dress socks. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. Wow, they seem very nice quality too. Alright, so I guess now we know what the mystery unveiling is. A pair of Big Chungus dress socks. How am I gonna put this on to work? How do I explain this? Alright everyone, I really hope you enjoyed my tiny mystery unboxing, and no, it wasn't anything from the dark web or anything like that. I'm not that cool, but this is definitely really cool. I'm not sure how I'm gonna explain this to anyone while I'm wearing them. I guess no one but the insiders joke me to understand. So thank you so much to my friend for getting me this, and thank you all for tuning in for the mystery unboxing / review. That's the first one we do on the channel. If you're a new subscriber and you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to leave any suggestions as to what you want to see on this channel and what future videos we can bring. Thank you all so much. I hope you have a wonderful day.